Hi everybody, this is Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here today with a mini album share. And you've seen my 4x4 mini albums before, but you've never seen one with pictures in it. So a lot of people were asking, what good is it? What do you do with it? For my 4x4 mini album tutorials that I'm doing with my scrap papers. And this is a DCWV, I think, paper collection. I think it was the 4x6 pad, and I don't remember which one it is. Sorry about that. And I just re-glued down these pearls because they were starting to come up. This is my daughter's homecoming book from 2017. It says Ho-Ko on the side with the glitter thickers, and then there are 3 little gems on there for the butterfly heads. This pearl thing, it was coming off right here. I re-glued it, and then 2017 was thickers, and this has obviously been in a dusty place because there's dust and cat hair all over it, if you can see, but nevertheless it's intact. Yeah, this is a 4x4 mini with a 2-inch spine. There's the back, and you can see how once you add stuff to it, it kind of alligator mouths out a little bit, but you'll see how much stuff I added to make it happen. So I have a embellishment here that is a I can't remember what these things are called, but they were flare. It was a flare, and you want to keep these to the outside. So there's a date and location sticker that she never filled out, and then a photo of her entire homecoming class, or homecoming dance 2017, but class of 2020. And then here is a picture of my daughter in her dress. Little embellishment there, and you open it up and there she is again. And then there's a tag on this one that pulls out, and that one I don't have anything on, but it says you. And then you flip it over. This one has belly bands on the back of each one, which is kind of why there's bulk. And there is my daughter and her grandma, and this little tag here is just her in front of the car. And this tutorial is the same as, I think, the mini album A that I did a long time ago. Actually, I may have done this one on tutorial. So just more pictures of my daughter in her dress, and just some cute little stamps and some backgrounds. So I've added pictures. I've also added mats, and then in some cases I added some frames. So there's a big chipboard. This is a thick chipboard piece, also bulking that up. There is her and her date, her boyfriend, her still boyfriend now, on that tag. And then on the back of that one again, we have some pictures. And there they are. So it gives you an idea of what you can do with a little album like this. And it's really nice for just like one occasion, a significant occasion. Especially if you can coordinate the colors. If I start sneezing, I'm sorry, it's because of the book. Okay, so this one, I did not add anything to these, and you don't have to. You can write in those. It's a good place for journaling. You may have to speed up here. I'm not going to take that one out all the way. There's a wood veneer on that one, so again, some more bulk. More pictures. This is like pre-homecoming, of course. There I am. There's more pictures in each one of these too, but like I said, I'm trying to hurry before I start sneezing. Those are the little friends. More friend pictures. I wasn't in the dance, but these are pictures that they professionally took, like in the dance for the girls. So that's fun. And then, oh, there's her and her date. And then the end of the night, a little black doily behind there. And that is a 4x4 mini album with pictures in it. So you guys can see if that's something that you'd be interested in making for somebody. It's really neat for grandmas. You know, it's small enough that it could be in, if you wanted to make, if somebody's not, you know, in the not feeling well or something like that, it could be like a good get well gift, and they can keep it on their little stand and look at it whenever they want. It's just, it's small, it's compact, and it's great for like a special occasion, I think. A birthday party or, you know, what have you. So there you are. I appreciate everybody watching, and we'll see you next time. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.